Coreflux case study number 2. Eyewear industry quicker fulfillment process. This was a challenge to reduce the time between client order placement and delivery of the final product. The process: client places an order at a shop, data is sent to a cloud mqtt broker, the factory's IT mqtt broker receives the request and stores it in a MariaDB database. The materials are ordered from an automatic warehouse via local edge broker, the barcode is assigned to the material carrier, line scanners identify the material carrier and send it to a fast production line. Each production equipment receives the correct specifications and adjusts itself to manufacture the final product. Quality control operators perform manual checks. After quality approval, the product rejoins the production line and is automatically sent to the packaging unit. The final customer invoice is generated automatically. The product is packed and dispatched to the customer's address. The solution is the Coreflux pipeline. The business client webpage is integrated with the Coreflux Cloud mqtt broker for product requests. The production plant central mqtt broker is integrated into IT infrastructure, and mqtt edge brokers are integrated into each equipment controller. The assets in OT are Modbus TCP/IP, Ethernet IP, and the assets in IT are MariaDB, NoSQL, and Bridge assets. This solution delivered benefits and value as reduced delivery time, increased product value, and simplified stock processes. The roles involved are plant managers, process engineers, and procurement managers. The target group is the final customer. Visit coreflux.org to power up your IIoT project. If you like to learn about exciting cutting-edge industrial technology, follow for more. Coreflux, we make it look easy.